What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're out here in my personal home here in Colorado, and I cannot be more excited to get my formal living room upgrade started. So I'm going to be unboxing some of the key components that are going to make this whole system just killer. And we're going to start out with one of the most important speakers in a system, and that's the center speaker. The center speaker is where all your dialogue comes from. It is the number one complaint of all customer complaints, which is, I can't hear what they're saying. Well, guys, I have the Sonos Arc currently installed, and although it did its job, it is time for that puppy to go, and we're going to get something a little bit more high fidelity in the space. So today I'm going to start out by doing an unboxing video of the brand new RBH soundbars. We're going to be actually checking out a couple different models, but as long as it doesn't look absolutely insane, I'm going to try to put in their soundbar that features their 3 AMT tweeters in an LCR configuration. So this will actually be a dedicated left, a dedicated right, and dedicated center speaker. It has AMT tweeters and 8-inch woofers. So this puppy should not only be extremely clean in the high frequency, directionally pointing all that audio out into this huge open concept space, but also pack a little bit of a punch. Well, I'm not familiar with the exact model yet, but I'm going to take this puppy out of the box and show it off. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, keep in mind Dreamedia is your one-stop shop for everything home theater and hi-fi related. All right, guys, let's get into it. Dreamedia family, so as you can see, RBH sent me a special delivery. These aren't even out on the market yet. Big props to the RBH crew for getting these things manufactured. Not only are we going to be showing off their new soundbars, but we're going to be showing off their new baffles. So inside of here, one of the big complaints, or kind of the comments we've had from customers, is that the RBH speakers aren't maybe as aesthetically pleasing as some of our other options that we have here at Dreamedia. Well, the guys at RBH took that in, and now they've created baffles, which really amp up the aesthetic of the whole speaker. And these are going to be available for many of their different speakers, but we're going to be pulling that out and putting it in place of our Sonos Arc up there. So we're going to start by just pulling it up here on the table and taking it out of the box. Let's do it. Look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, look at those AMT tweeters. Yeah, baby. Woo! Let me give you guys an up-close shot of this stunning speaker. Check it out, guys. RBH. So this manufacturer here, I have really fallen in love with them guys. Right out of Utah, all American, very small group of guys that just really believe in making high output, really good quality speakers, and they make custom ones too. Like, we have very specific situations that we have to accommodate a lot of times here at Dreamedia, and this soundbar, as an example, was made specifically for me, and they made sure it was the exact same width as my TV to make it aesthetically pleasing. And we can literally make these any size that you'd like, as well as different heights. So like, obviously this thing's a monster, guys. Like, look at my hand. It's a huge speaker, but we can make them in much smaller sizes as well, which, little teaser over here, we're going to be showing off its little brother. Not going in my home, but told the guys at RBH I'd show off something that's not so ridiculous. But we got the 8-inch woofers, 4 of them, and then we got 3 giant AMT tweeters. Let's see if I can give you guys an up-close shot. These allow us to really get up there. I mean, you can be running 120, 125 dB all day, and these puppies are gonna scream and not give you listening fatigue. Here on the back, guys, check it out. We got our terminals, and these could actually be bi-amped as well. If you wanted to really take it even further, you could bi-amp every single channel. I'm just going to be running them off of the Marantz Cinema 50 for now, and then later I'm going to do a video for you guys checking out RBH's unrivaled amps that they recommend pairing together with these, and then we'll bi-amp them. So that'll be part of my upgrade journey. Pretty sweet. This thing is a beast. All right, Dreamedia family. So you've now seen the speaker itself, and now we're going to unbox the baffle. So you can either use it just like this with the grill and hide it. Oh, I would like to point out too, all RBH speakers are customizable. So if you wanted to put a custom finish option in, I mean, literally the color options are endless. There's a slight upcharge, but the ability for them to custom do all of their speakers can be beneficial in certain situations. Okay. As an example, they even have like this really marble looking finish that you can get, and you could put that finish on the speaker and then mount it to marble and make it kind of blend in. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pull out our baffles. Very excited about these baffles. This is something new that RBH is doing, and I'm hoping it's a problem solver. I mean, they definitely stepped up the aesthetic. Everybody is obsessed with the sound quality of the speakers, though. We have had that aesthetically not, up to par with some of the other brands that you guys have for your media. I think this has got a lot. And what's great is it's optional, as well as customized it. So this just kind of ups the game a little bit, right? And to give it a little bit of depth to the drivers and the tweeter. So here's the original grill, and you guys can see. Pretty cool, right? So we're just gonna attach it like this. It actually attaches just like the grill magnetically. So that's kind of a finished aesthetic. I like it. I think it just adds a little bit of dimensionality to the speaker. Now, I wonder if the grill still works on it or not. And the grill still works, that's cool. So you have the option to go full on grill. Like this, back to normal, or we can take the grill off, which I'm probably going to leave it like this if the wife allows. And then let's show without the baffle. Just lay it down right in front of it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think too, getting rid of all these screw marks elevates the aesthetic for sure. Yeah, I like it. Oh, that's true. Good job, guys. RBH crew, you guys killed it. All right, so this RBH speaker is the 8400-SWR. All right, this 3-channel or wide dispersion center channel configuration has options. This does feature this particular model. The 8400 SWR does feature the 4 8-inch reference aluminum mid-woofer drivers, as well as 3 large reference AMT tweeters. This does come in different sizes. You have a 57-inch, a 66-inch, 75-inch, or you can customize a specific custom length between 57 inches all the way to 96 inches. Is available in 57, 66, and 75-inch widths and can accommodate multiple TV sizes. It's designed to mount directly below your flat screen TV and provide incredible lifelike sound, whether watching a movie or listening to music. The 8400 SWR provides outstanding staging, imaging, and spatial presence. This is a large room LCR soundbar with tremendous performance. I'm just going to run through some of the key specifications of this exact model. This does have a frequency response of 55 Hertz to 35 kilohertz, plus or minus 3 dB. The sensitivity is 89 dB on the main, 92 dB center, and 94 combined. The recommended power amplification is 100 to 225 watts on the main, 100 to 300 on the center, and 100 to 900 watts combined. The drivers are 4.72 inches by 1 inch AMT tweeter, as well as 4 8-inch aluminum cast frame black or silver reference mid-woofers. You can get it in either option. What I really love about RBH is the ability to customize. Whether it's their new baffles that they've made, doing a custom color finish, or even down to the woofers, you have options. So consult with our specialist. Oh, one thing I'd like to point out, a lot of speaker manufacturers will use MDF, which is a softer, like particle board, rather than RBH. On all of their speakers, they use HDF, which is a massive upgrade and does make the speaker more inert and solid. The weight of this speaker is coming in at 41.24 pounds, and it does include a 10-year warranty. All right, Dreamedia family, that does conclude my unboxing video of the big, giant RBH 8-inch soundbar. This is an a dedicated left, a dedicated right, and a dedicated center speaker. So you have to have the appropriate wiring in place to accommodate this type of speaker configuration. Here at Dreamedia, we really like to get hands-on with our designs, guys. Reach out today for a free video consultation with one of our specialists. We'll walk through your space. We'll check out the wiring that's in the home. Like, having the wiring, the appropriate wiring in place is key. None of this would be possible if I didn't have a dedicated line for each individual channel. In addition to, we can look at the rest of the speakers in your space and create a full system design for, say, like a 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos configuration, which is one of our best sellers. In this room here, we're going to be starting out by installing the soundbar as our front left, right, and center. And then I got 4 overhead speakers, RBH's brand new AMT tweeters and their 8-inch in-ceiling woofers that we're going to be checking out in today, well, not in this video, but in upcoming videos for you guys, as well as the whole installation and showing you how to do the intricate wiring, as well as little pro tips along the way. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you're interested in purchasing RBH or anything else home theater related, reach out today for a free video consultation with a specialist. We're nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.